go on Owen Aqua Valley. It's been almost a year since I last did this, and I'm doing it for once without a coat, so this might be a bit interesting to say the least. Oh, and today the beast is closed for some reason, but lovely view of Port Magic. Oh, we're ready to drop. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they've added a camera since last time I was on it. But, oh no! Oh! Oh! Not too bad, but it's gonna get worse. Oh no! Look at them go. Right, it's time for the big climb. The big climb it is. Oh god. I've actually forgot how unnecessarily big this is. Oh my lord. There's Kayland over there. You can see star attraction. There's the beast, there's thing, and there's my death. Oh, oh no. Ah! Oh. Please don't another car come. Oh. Oh, that was good. Well, there comes another car. Overall, good fun.